Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially add texture on top of a video, like as an overlay on CapCut PC. So select your video and select an overlay. Just going to select this as an overlay, adjust it, put it on top, and then go back to basic and select the overlay blend mode. You can also choose other blend modes if you don't like this one, like the screen one, maybe you can't really see it, or like the darken one, or this color burn one, but I'm just going to select the overlay one, and it creates this like really cool paper texture. If you want to add more textures, just go to effects here, go to video effects, and go to the texture effect right here, and you can add in even more like effects on the video without having to add in overlays. You have this like folds one, you have this like printed one to just make it look even more like a paper, as you can see. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!